Are you tired of chasing down leads that just go nowhere? We all are. Today, we're going to cut through all the AI hype. I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can use these tools to actually supercharge your sales and marketing and get real, tangible results. Let's do this. Does this feel a little too familiar? I mean, you're pouring all this time and money into sales and marketing, but the results are just unpredictable. Your team is getting totally burned out chasing dead-end leads, and those sales cycles just seem to drag on forever. I get it. But what if I told you AI was practically built to solve these exact problems? You know, AI really excels at tackling the three biggest headaches in this whole game. So just imagine for a second, no more guessing which leads are actually worth your time, no more of those tedious manual tasks that bog your team down, and, this is the big one, you can finally personalize your outreach to every single prospect automatically. That right there is the promise of AI. So here's our game plan for today. We'll kick things off with a big picture opportunity, and then I'm going to walk you through the essential tools you absolutely need. From there, we'll get into building a solid foundation, how to sidestep the most common pitfalls, and then, the best part, how to actually measure your return on investment. Let's get right into it. Okay, it's time to open up the toolbox. And look, we're not going to be chasing every shiny new gadget that comes along. This is your core AI toolkit. These are the tried and true tools that you need to solve those big, nagging challenges we just talked about. First up, this is the heavy hitter: AI lead scoring and routing. Honestly, you can think of it like a super smart sorting hat for all your leads. It instantly analyzes every single person who comes in, predicts who's actually ready to buy, and zap, it sends them straight to the perfect person on your team. No more wasted time. Period. And this slide really shows you what a massive shift this is. I mean, the old way, you'd spend weeks, maybe months, creating this complicated web of if-then rules, basically just taking a wild guess at what makes a good lead. But the AI way, it's like having a brilliant detective pore over all of your past deals, learning what actually leads to a win. It sees patterns and clues you'd never ever spot on your own. And the result of that? A huge 20 to 40% jump in conversion rates. That's not just a small bump. That is a massive win, all from just making sure your team is talking to the right people at exactly the right time. All right, tool number 2 in our kit, CRM assistance. Think of this like a personal coach for every single person on your sales team, and it lives right inside your CRM. It's always on, constantly watching their pipeline, giving them these little nudges like, hey, it's been 2 weeks since you talked to this lead, or maybe, warning, this deal looks like it's stalling out. It's like having a second pair of expert eyes on every single deal. Now, this is an absolute game changer for planning. Instead of just relying on gut feelings and, those overly optimistic guesses, AI sales forecasting gives you a data-driven crystal ball. It sifts through all your past sales data and tells you with, frankly, amazing accuracy what your revenue is going to look like next quarter and even beyond. And just how accurate are we talking? Well, traditional forecasting methods are maybe 70% accurate on a really good day. These AI models, they're consistently hitting 90 to 95% accuracy. Just think about that. Imagine making critical decisions about hiring, about inventory, about your budget with that kind of certainty. It completely transforms how you plan for the future. And hey, there's more. There's a whole suite of these AI assistants that can just supercharge your team's day-to-day productivity. Imagine getting proposal drafts written 30% faster, or doubling your marketing content output, or running campaigns that literally optimize themselves. These tools are designed to handle the grunt work, freeing up your team to focus on what humans do best, building relationships and thinking strategically. So the tools sound pretty great, right? But the big question is, how do you actually put them to work? That's exactly what we're getting into next, the blueprint for a truly successful AI implementation. You know, the tech side of this is way simpler than it sounds. Think of it like setting up a smart home. First, step 1, you connect all your devices. That's your CRM, your email, your analytics. Then, step 2, you install the brain, which is the AI tool itself. And finally, step 3, you just make sure they're all talking to each other, so the AI gets the data it needs to work its magic and can send those smart insights right back to your team. Okay, hang on. Stop for a second. This right here is the single most important slide in this entire explainer. I'm serious. If your CRM data is a total mess, full of duplicates, missing information, errors, your AI will be completely useless. It's like trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. It's just going to collapse. You have to clean up your data before you even think about plugging in AI. This is absolutely non-negotiable. So you've got the tools, you've got the foundation. Now let's talk about the traps. These are the really common mistakes that can completely derail your AI investment before it even gets off the ground. Let's make sure you avoid them. Right, here are the 3 biggest mistakes I see people make all the time. Number 1, don't just throw a new tool at your team and hope they figure it out. You have to build it into their daily workflow, make it required. Number 2, don't let your sales and marketing teams operate on separate islands. Their data and their AI tools have to talk to each other. And number 3, never, and I mean never, trust AI-generated content completely. It's a fantastic starting point, an amazing first draft, but it's not the finished product. A human always, always needs to have the final say. Okay, we've covered the why and the how. Now for the million-dollar question. How do you actually know if you're making money from all this? Let's break down how to measure your ROI. This table really lays it all out, nice and simple. You can see that direct line from the problem to the AI solution to the real-world results. But here's the part that gets me really excited. Look at that last column, time to value. You can start seeing a real return on some of these tools in just a couple of weeks. This isn't some long-term, maybe it'll work out kind of investment. You will see the impact and you'll see it fast. And here's that forecasting accuracy we were talking about, but in a picture. Look, this isn't a small, tiny improvement. This is the difference between driving your business in a thick fog and driving on a clear, sunny day. That's the kind of clarity you need to make smart, confident decisions about where your business is headed. So this is your AI scorecard. These are the actual numbers you need to be tracking. Is your close rate on those AI-scored leads going up? Is your average sales cycle getting shorter? Is your forecast getting more and more accurate? These are the metrics that will tell you in plain black and white whether your AI investment is actually paying off. Look, if you only remember one thing from all of this, please make it this. AI success isn't really about the tech. It's about your strategy. It's simple. Start with your biggest, most painful problem, pick the right tool for that job, get your data clean, and then make the AI a natural part of your team's daily routine. That, my friends, is the secret sauce. So what's next for you? You now have the blueprint to use AI to solve some of your biggest, most persistent business challenges. Really, the only question left is, which fire are you going to put out first?